Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful motorhome comes equipped with bedroom television, double wardrobes, booth dinette, vanity with sink, battery disconnect, swivel passenger seat, decorative kitchen backsplash, surround sound, bathroom overhead storage, walk-around queen bed, frameless windows, living area sofa, full body paint, upgraded AC with heat pump, cable TV hookup, dual lights over headboard, double slides, kitchen pantry, over-the-range microwave, dual bedroom nightstands, decorative wood plank flooring, outside storage, automatic levelers, flush mount gas range cover, rear bedroom, bunk above cab area, fire extinguisher, 3-burner range, kitchen sink, lift-up queen bed, shower skylight, console cup holders, LED interior lighting, LED exterior lighting, outside shower, toilet area with sink cabinet and mirror, bathroom shower, outside kitchen refrigerator, pot and pan drawer, double door refrigerator, living area television, a backup camera, ducted AC, overhead kitchen storage, designer headboard, smoke detector, remote heated driver and passenger mirrors, swivel driver's seat, wardrobe with storage drawers, electric awning with LED lights, outside gas grill, side view cameras, stainless sink, outside speakers, flip-up counter, roof ladder, spare tire, carbon monoxide detector, outside kitchen sink, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.